Hi everyone, it's Morah Sophia. Today we are going to make flags for Yom Ha'atzma'ut, Israel's birthday. Now, what does Israel's flag look like? Here it is. It's blue and white, kahol velavan, and it has two blue stripes, one on the top and one on the bottom. And what's that in the middle? Right, a star is in the middle. So for this project, we're going to need blue paper, white paper, the bottom of a hanger, glue, and some tape. Now, with the blue paper, you can ask your mommies to help you. We're going to have to cut out two blue stripes. 1, 2, and we're going to need to cut 2 blue triangles. So once you have that cut, we could get started. So first, what do we have to do? We're going to start with the top stripe. So we're going to take one of our blue stripes. We're going to take the glue, squeeze it down, press hard, squeeze, 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 put the glue down the stripe. So this stripe needs to go on the top or the bottom. Let's see, I'm going to start with the top. Let's take it, we're going to turn it around, and we're going to put the stripe right on top, just like that, and press down. Then we're going to take our other stripe and do the same thing. Put glue down the middle, squeeze the glue, turn it around and put it on the bottom, down here, and press down. See? So now we have a blue stripe on top and a blue stripe on the bottom, just like this one. But we're missing our star in the middle. So now we're gonna take our 2 triangles. One is gonna face this way with the point on top, and one is going to face this way with the point on the bottom. So I'm going to start with the one on top first. I'm going to put my glue, turn it over, and put the triangle right in the middle, just like that. Now I'm going to take the other triangle, turn it around, and make sure the point is on the bottom, just like that. I'm going to put some glue, turn it around, and put it right on top of the other triangle. And now I have my flag, Israel's flag. Now we're going to add the pole to the back so we could wave it for Yom Ha'atzma'ut. So I'm going to take my tape, I'm going to turn the flag around, put the pole on the back, and tape it down tightly. 1, 2, 3. Now look, what did we have? Israel's flag that we could wave around and around. Kahol velavan. kahol velavan, haseva sheli, haseva sheli, kahol velavan, kahol velavan, sive admati, sive admati. I hope you guys had fun making this project, and we're gonna wave the flag. Get ready to wave it on Yom Ha'atzma'ut on Wednesday. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.